Okay, so been playing around for a couple of days. I really haven't filmed much because I'm waiting to get my new wireless microphone so I can set up the camera and then just build without having to worry about moving the camera around, getting close to the phone to for the audio to be picked up. So I got some wireless microphones coming. Should be here today, so hopefully start filming with better audio soon. So I was just playing around. Here I was just experimenting with this. I think it's sapele or some sort of mahogany. I picked this up. I got like 5 feet of that for $5 at the I can't think of the name of the store. The Restore, Habitat for Humanity Restore. So I picked up 5 feet of that for like $1 a foot. I was thinking about cutting that up, sanding them down, and making some coasters. So we got a few things cut there. Something else I was working on are some plant dollies. So these are just some furring strips from the big box store. I gave them a quick sanding, nothing major. These are kind of like rustic plant dollies. So I got three different designs here. I just bought some wheels on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And I just use wood screws to put the wheels on. And then I use some brad nails and glue to put the dollies together. On them I have some spray lacquer, some spray shellac, just for a quick coating. Then here I was just kind of working on those balancing wine bottle holders. I don't have a bottle here, I'd show it, but maybe I got a bottle. Let me come right back. Alright, I didn't have a bottle. The recycling guy came today, so the bottle is gone. But maybe I'll pop a still image up a little bit. So these have the spray shellac on them as well. Yeah, so again, that's just a couple of things I've been working on here. Here's the spray shellac. I've never used it before today. I've seen other people use it in their videos, and it's like super easy and dries quick. So I picked up a couple cans of that. Again, if these coasters work out, I may make a few batches of those for the yard sale coming up. But all in all, the saw's been working out great. Like I said, I've owned it for probably like a month or so, but I really haven't used it till the last couple of days. It's been working good. Right now it's got the brown sapele mahogany dust all over it. I'm going to clean that up and I'm going to call it a day. Come back tomorrow. I got these 1x2 pine strips here. Might try to make it a plant stand or another style of plant dolly. So keep checking the channel. Hopefully I get the new microphone soon. We'll do some better recording and some build videos. Thank you.